Having the most up-to-date and reliable data available in the field has never been easier. With Bricsys 24/7 and Leica iCON Field, it's as simple as drag and drop. While the real-time data and its status is immediately available for use, if you want to notify or be notified of changes, sending and subscribing to updates is now only a click away. On site, it's as easy as connecting your Bricsys 24/7 project and selecting the data you want to use. Once all the points are laid out, you can create a stakeout report, exporting to your 24/7 project, along with any other data that you want to share, confirming everything back to the office as soon as the job is done. It's now easier than ever to monitor progress and make quick decisions with the power of Bricsys 24/7 and Leica iCON Field. The updated Bricsys 24/7 mobile app is packed with lots of new features, making it easier than ever to access and add to your 24/7 projects on the go. Whether you're using Android or iOS, there's now the ability to log into projects which require two-factor authentication using our token card system. You can view metadata and add metadata to files at upload. The ability to create simple tasks, that's tasks not tied to workflows, has been added to both our new look web interface and here on mobile. You can also attach files to project tasks and preview and view these attachments. All of this on Bricsys 24/7 for mobile. With Bricsys 24/7 for BricsCAD, it's never been easier to log into your projects in the cloud, making sure your shared design files are always up to date for all project stakeholders. This is Bricsys 24/7 Common Data Environment. After login, select your project and navigate to the appropriate folder for your drawing file. Select the file you want to upload, set the file status, and provide a file description. With your connection to the internet, everything is immediately synchronized with Bricsys 24/7 in the cloud. While it's possible to lock files for the time that they are being worked on by navigating to the same project folder location on the web, your drawing file is already available for viewing, sharing, or downloading, keeping everyone up to date. No more emails, file size concerns, or confusions about versions or duplications. This is your harmonized Bricsys ecosystem.